Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Roblox story on CapCut. First, open the CapCut application and tap on New Project. Next, select all the Roblox gameplay footage and screenshots you want to use from your device's gallery. Once imported, make sure to set your project's aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for vertical story formats on platforms like TikTok or Instagram. Now, let's refine your story. Use the trim and split tools to cut out any unnecessary parts of your Roblox footage, focusing only on the most engaging moments. To make your story flow seamlessly, add dynamic transitions between each clip. You can also experiment with clip speed, slowing down intense moments or speeding up mundane ones to keep your viewers hooked. To truly bring your Roblox story to life, let's add some creative elements. Use the text tool to add dialogue, captions, or narration, making sure it's easy to read. Next, select a background music track from CapCut's extensive library that perfectly complements the mood of your story. Don't forget to include fun sound effects for character actions or reactions, adding an extra layer of engagement. Almost there. Before exporting, watch your entire Roblox story from start to finish to catch any last-minute edits or timing issues. Once you're satisfied, tap the Export button and choose a high-definition resolution, like 1080 pixels, for the best quality. Finally, share your amazing Roblox story directly to your favorite social media platforms and let your friends enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.